Peace.
It's a wrap.
You know what? Fuck you for. You know what? I'm gonna do this a whirl.
Alright, well,
Yeah, we're peeling. We're peelers now. You got the footage. It's all there.
I don't want to stand next to you. Alright,
Too late.
so I was ready to go, and I keep interrupting.
It's all right. Shopping Sunday.
Sunday, football Sunday.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Football.
Oh, your favorite.
Yeah. Go
So
back.
we got no wraps on. We got the wraps
Yeah.
on.
Giving the Drew Special a try.
Yeah, we'll do this. We'll try it out.
So, the beer man is Yards Haunted Forever. It's a nice black India Pale Ale, otherwise known as a Cascadia Dark Ale. Something like that. Now, obviously 16 ounces, for a nice 6.66%.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah!
I see what they did there.
Yeah.
That must have took some
You-
calculations.
Also, I was gonna say, it would mean like, alright, you have to make sure it's perfectly
Yeah.
done.
I like that. I like forever.
So,
Bring us back to Halloween.
yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I saw the can and it looked like one of the like collab style cans, and I was like, oh no, this is just them. Okay.
Well, I'm ready.
Yeah, bows down, gentlemen.
All down.
Well, I have some spray. What's wrong with this, guys? That's good.
Oh, it's cold.
That's very cold. Ooh. I see why you think about it.
Yeah, wow. It does help.
Shit,
Yeah.
here.
Delicious though. That was good. A little coffee. Well, that's because like you do have,
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
well, you have a good malt.
Not bad.
Like,
Yeah, I mean, as I throw all over you.
like you got a nice malt base, and then like,
The IPA part of it wasn't as bad. I mean, it was good.
which it's weird because it's the type of IPA that you normally don't like, which is that piney like resin.
Yeah, but it wasn't like
I think
in your
it's-
face.
I think that's because of the like more roasty malts. Like it's
Okay,
balanced.
sure.
Like it's
For sure.
fantastic. I like
It tasted really good. Yards,
that is new.
standard
Yeah.
in the industry, standard on our channel. So that is to you.